You're not too late. You are smart enough. You are enough. And what you need will find its way to you. So I just finished a book coaching session and I'm excited because we're at the finish line. Now I'm headed to the post office, to the bank, and then home to grab some lunch. So let's go. At the post office, I was gonna use the kiosk, but the line is short, so let's go inside. All right, I can check that off the list. Just paid my PO box, so we're good to go. And now I'm headed to the bank, and then I also need to, I think I need to stop at the store, so let's see. Hey y'all, hey, so I have made it home and I made me some lunch, eating some leftovers, and I made a cucumber salad to go with it. This morning was such a productive coaching session. I love when I have clients that feel so in line with who I am. It always makes the experience so much sweeter, and I believe that everyone has a book inside of them, and I'm so excited that my client is at the finish line with writing her book. I cannot wait until we introduce it to you all and you can become a part of her journey. I'm gonna eat my lunch and then I'm gonna call y'all back. Hey my friend, I have made it upstairs and I'm about to add the finishing touches to my client's book. My heart is just so happy for her that this is something she has been wanting to achieve, she said, for over 20 years. And when I tell you there is no timing like God's timing, and I'm so happy that He allowed us to come across each other in this season of our lives, because there is no feeling like when you meet someone and there's an exchange. She's adding value to my life and I'm adding value to her life. So I'm going to add the finishing touches because our goal was to complete her book in 90 days. And we are ahead of schedule, y'all. So super duper excited about that. Love the energy and momentum that we are flowing in. Remember, it is never too late to accomplish what your heart desires. No one can stop you from achieving your goals but you. You're not too late. You are smart enough. You are enough. And what you need will find its way to you. I promise you, God will always send you at least one person that can help you accomplish what it is that you set your heart out to. Comparison truly is the thief, y'all. It will rob you of your joy. It will rob you of your peace. It will rob you of your creativity. Do not compare yourself to somebody else's journey because you don't know where they are in the process and what it took for them to get there. There is greatness inside of you, and it is your responsibility to activate it and to honor it.